To understand biochemistry, we must know the definition of it. According to Professor Elmer H. Stotts, biochemistry is the study of chemical substances and processes that occur in plants, animals, and microorganisms. Unlike normal chemistry that will be studying about atoms and use large amount of calculation to find its masses and properties, biochemistry is about the large molecule structures such as protein, carbohydrate, amino acid structures that consist of many joined elements. How is this linked to our bodies? Since biochemistry is about the structure and function of protein, carbohydrate, lipids, and nucleic acid and other biomolecules, it will be related to our digestion and cellular component. As the name stated, digestion is about the breaking down of nutrition to absorb by the bodies, and cellular component is about the structure of the cells. Organic chemistry is the study of organic compounds. Organic compounds are the carbon-containing compounds that are created by living organisms naturally. For example, when plants are decomposed for many thousand years, it produces crude oil, which is made out of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Since we are going to talk about why biochemistry is related to organic chemistry, this video will be focused on the breaking down of carbohydrate. Most people would often mistakenly think that carbohydrate and sugar are not the same, and would assume that the product that they were consuming are carbohydrate-free, even if it contains some sugar. However, sugar such as glucose is part of the isomer of the carbohydrates. Now, it is started to related to organic chemistry. Carbohydrates are part of organic group of molecules which contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Some carbohydrate isomers, such as glucose, are made up of only carbons and hydrogen atoms, which we name hydrocarbons. The digestion first taking place in the mouth where enzymes called amylase start breaking down the sugar in carbohydrate. The food then travels through the esophagus and into the stomach, where the bacteria will be killed by hydrochloric acid. The chyme then goes from the stomach into the first part of the intestine, called duodenum. This causes the pancreas to release pancreatic amylase. This enzyme breaks down the chymes into dextrin and maltose. From there, the wall of the small intestine begins to make lactase, sucrase, and maltase. This enzyme breaks down the sugar even further into monosaccharides, or single sugar. This is the type of sugar that will be absorbed by the intestine and be used by the cell as the energies.